Judge rules Johnny Depp must pay ACLU $38,000 for providing evidence to clear his name. Is this true? What do you think about Depp raging after the judge in the ACLU case? Remember when the ACLU demanded $86,253.26 from Johnny Depp for the time it took to prepare and submit the documents after they were subpoenaed? And when the ACLU reminded Johnny Depp of the New York law, stating that the time spent reviewing for privileged work product and preparing a privilege log is completely recoverable? Let's dive into the video to know the entire truth. A new judge's decision has now ordered Depp to pay the American Civil Liberties Union only $38,000 for their trouble, rather than the full amount demanded by the nonprofit foundation. According to Law and Crime, on Friday, July 1st, Manhattan Supreme Court Justice Arthur Engoron ruled that attorneys, like taxes, are a fact of life. The judge, an ACLU member, clarified that his membership in the ACLU was not a source of conflict in the ruling. The ACLU received less than half of what they originally requested. Stephanie Teplin, an associate at Patterson Belknap Webb and Tyler, represented the ACLU and claimed that the $86,253.26 was justified. When Justice Engoron compared the firm to a Cadillac, while all that was required for the simple discovery was a Ford lawyer, Teplin stated that Depp had demanded documents from a 6-year-old case. Furthermore, the New York law provided reimbursement for reasonable production expenses to a non-party in litigation, namely the ACLU. Teplin also reminded the judge of when Depp asked the court for proof of Amber Heard's donation, claiming that while the ACLU tried to limit the cost, Depp demanded that they act on the broader request. The debate did not progress. According to Justice Engoron and his law clerk Allison Greenfield, the judge stuck to the original scope of the subpoenas. ACLU's original claim and Depp's request. The ACLU's original claim was for $86,253.26, and they were also brutally trolled online. According to documents obtained by Radar, the ACLU allegedly reviewed 7,500 documents before providing $2,000 in documents. According to the motion, for over 16 hours of depositions, the ACLU produced 3 witnesses, including its executive director. Mr. Depp rejected numerous compromises along the way to reduce the burden and expense on the ACLU and its employees. It went on to say, Mr. Depp acknowledges that New York law allows for the reimbursement of reasonable production expenses to a non-party and does not object to the respondents being reimbursed for such reasonable expenses. However, respondents seek reimbursement for expenses that go far beyond what was reasonably required to comply with the subpoena. The nonprofit organization was previously accused of assisting Johnny Depp's ex-wife, Amber Heard, in writing the infamous 2019 defamatory Washington Post op-ed that resulted in the decade's most high-profile trial. Justice Engoron brought up this topic and inquired as to how the ACLU became involved in this case, to which Teplin did not directly respond. They were responsible for drafting and placing the op-ed that the Virginia jury just found to be defamatory to Mr. Depp. Depp's lawyer, Jessica N. Myers, an associate at Brown Rudnick, joked. A Twitter user tweets that, "I'm not a fan of this judge being an ACLU member. How is it possible that they couldn't find another judge?" One fan said that ACLU was complicit in Johnny's defamation. He should not have to pay anything. Another wrote, "No, he should pay for them. That sum is insignificant to JD. Let us not descend to AH's level and demonstrate how different he is from her. Unfortunately for the ACLU, that'll be the last money they see from him. And they'll do well to forget about the $3.5 million pledged by AH. Another added that he has been involved in this case since the beginning, and he has upheld the subpoena against the ACLU. That, I believe, demonstrates his fairness. One more said that he should be compensated. However, this is an improvement over the shocking amount they were claiming previously. One fan said, "I'm amazed they got it. At the very least, the ACLU did not receive the $86,000 they sought. Scammers! I'd send them a penny once a week if I were Johnny. Make a pledge. They appear to think it's acceptable when Scamber does it." One more tweet says, "It's impossible to say whether it is fair without knowing what is typically charged for similar production. Less than half is better than the entire $86,000. And kudos to Depp for not caving. but he had to pay to fight it. Most of us simply cannot afford to do so. One added that the joke would be that if he just pledged it and nothing else, it would be too expensive to go to court over, so they could just let it go. Another said it's more than the $86,000 they were requesting. It's still not right, but it's getting better. But I'm not feeling good about the ACLU right now. I seriously doubt their morals. Another wrote, Manhattan Supreme Court Justice Arthur Engoron revealed at the start of the hearing that he is a member of the ACLU. Times have changed. Do you agree with Johnny Depp raging over the ACLU case? Let us know your views in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more uploads.